Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of 3D modeling. Exercise number 6. First, select the new part. Then pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 3D sketch as given in the manual. Now, specify the dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Specify all the dimensions that are given in the manual in order to fully define the sketch. After dimensioning, when the sketch is fully defined, select Features, in that select Extruded Bars. Then specify the dimension for extrusion and the end condition to be mid-plane. Now, select the top face of the extruded part and then give sketch. Select the circle command and draw a circle over the face of the part. Specify the vertical and horizontal dimensions of the circle from the top and bottom of the part. After specifying few dimensions, make the sketch fully defined by giving relation between two circles. Select two circles and give the relation equal. Now, in Features option, select Extruder Cut. Specify through all, which is the end condition. Then select OK. Now select left face of the part, then give sketch. Using a corner rectangle command, draw a rectangle over the part, then specify its dimensions. Once the sketch is finished, in Features, select Extruder Cut, then OK. Now our part is ready. Then edit the material to IS2062 and verify where the material is applied. Cross check by checking the mass properties under Evaluate. That's it.